Welcome to the ICT course. Welcome to the ICT course. This is the book that we will learn from. Chapter 3, Storage Devices, Lesson Part, Backing Storage Devices and Media. So, we will be covering the title, Backing Storage Devices and Media, page 28, 29, and 30. Let's start. Okay, now let's look at this together, and this is found inside the PC. Let's look at each part. This is the compact disc. And this is the write head, which reads off the CD. And here inside the write head we have the lens, which is made out of glass. And here we have the photodiode, and another part inside the write head is the prism, which is a small glass piece. And here we have the laser beam, which travels inside the write head in order to reach the CD. And it hits the CD. Once it hits the CD, it creates these points on the CD. So the laser beam is carving pits across the CD while the CD is rotating. So these are the pits that the laser beam creates. The laser beam also travels through the photodiode, not only through the write head. Once it passes the photodiode, it is converted into electrical signals. So this is how the copying process works in the optical storage. Now let's talk about the storage media. What is the storage media? It is material used to store data. Let's look at these two examples. The first example is the CD, and the second example is the magnetic tape, which we talked about previously. Okay, now let's talk about the standard CD, which is a compact disc that can store 80 minutes of sound. What are the advantages of the standard CD? Number one, it is cheap. Number two, portable. However, it does have a disadvantage, which is we cannot erase old data in order to hold new data inside the CD. Now let's talk about the DVD, which is the digital versatile disc. The DVD is read with narrow laser spots. And some of its advantages is, number one, it has more pits than a CD. And number two, it can hold hours of video. Now let's move to the Blu-ray disc. The Blu-ray disc has smaller pits than a DVD. And it uses blue laser to read the data of the disc. And finally, it can hold high-resolution videos, so it is even larger than the DVD. Now let's talk about the uses of optical media. We use it in order to store data like sound and video.